How to add someone on Telegram without contacts. Are you guys facing issues to add member on Telegram group without the contacts? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your mobile app. Once you open the Telegram, now click on your channel. Now click on your channel profile. Once you click on it, you can see three options. Click on channel settings. Now tap on the second option, invite links. Copy your channel link. Once you copy your channel link, now send it to the person that you want to add on your channel. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna add people on Telegram without contacts. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.